Hello yogis, welcome back to our channel Indian Yoga Krishna. I'm your guru Krishna. So guys, as you are learning a new yoga pose every day, today also we are going to learn a new yoga pose, especially for who's looking for the depression, who's want to relax their brain, or some this some menstrual discomfort, or the problem of menopause, or good hamstring muscles and everything. Then you must watch this video till the end. And end of this video, if you find this useful, then please go and subscribe this channel later after end of this video. So now let's talk about what we are learning today. So guys, today we are learning that's called Adho Svanasana, or in English you will say downward facing dog pose. Yes guys, this is very good asana and very easy to do, but they're very the effective benefits. So let's do this one first, let's practice this one, learn this one, and then we have to talk something others, like the other benefits and who should not do it and other precaution and everything that we'll talk later. First let's learn this one and then we discuss everything later. So first, how we do it. So for this one you have to go first this cat pose position. So this one is the cat pose position. Just put a little bit on distance in your knees and with your hands like this one, and be like this one, and then slowly while breathe out, straight your knees like this one and go all the way like this one, and from here touch your heels like this one, touch your heels. If you can't touch, you will be like here like this one, because sometimes it's to take the good flexibility, open up your hamstring muscles and everything, then you touch your heels. And if you are right now that you that situation that you can't touch your heels, that is okay, it's fine. Just go as far as you can go, just trying to touch like this one. And after touching this one, bring your your head in between your hands and just push your the head behind near to your leg side like this one, and hold this position. Keep in mind, breathe out, don't breathe in, breathe out, hold this position. This is a Hatha yoga, so we are not doing here just breathe normal. So breathe out and then slowly while breathe normal come to this position and relax. I did one more time, but you have to do at least 5 to 7 times while you practicing this one each day, 5 to 7 times, and hold your position at least around 20 to 30 seconds. So five times at least, and 30 seconds, that's almost around 2 minutes. So go for that, practice this one. Now let's talk about the benefits. First, as I mentioned, it's very good for release stress from your brain cells. If you have a very the mild depression, also to secure that. If you have very anxiety and everything, then it's very good to giving you relief. And if you have issue regarding your your heart and your lungs, if they are weak, then you are doing kind of just reverse your body, so it's give you good the what do you say, strengthening to your heart and your lungs. Very good for your face area. While doing this one, there is a good blood flow on your face, so you will get the glowing skin, and it's also stop your aging. Very good for overall just opening up your hamstring muscles. Very good for your opening up your calf muscles, giving you good toning and strength to your your lower areas in your legs and everything. Very good to remove some extra fat from your stomach. Good the massage to your intestine, your liver and your kidney area, and that's very good for improvement your digestive systems, give you good immunity power also. Also one more thing, it's very good for if you have the menstrual discomfort, it's good for that too. And if you're facing this menopause problem, that's also very good for that. So just do this one and get all the benefits. Now who should not do it? Everyone can do it, but if you have high BP, please hold your position as long as you can hold comfortably. Don't hold too much, so you can get again this issue increase. So just keep in mind that, otherwise everyone can do it. And now the last thing, guys, as I ask you, please watch this video till the end. So if you're watching till here, I'm very happy, I'm glad that you doing that. And now I really need your support, so please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, so you'll get more video updates just like this one. And please share and comment on this video in comment section. Comment what you like, what you don't like. If you have any suggestion or you have any problem with you, any kind of problem, then just mention in comment section. So that's all about today's yoga class. Tomorrow we're also going to learn something just like this one. So till then, bye bye, thank you, namaste.